Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see, or in this series, we are going to see a very powerful tool for automation called Ansible. I'm sure you might have heard of it. I'm going to walk you through installation of Ansible, how to integrate GNS3, how to integrate the Ansible controller with GNS3 so that you can automate your configurations from your VMware workstation to your nodes in GNS3. Okay, so over here I have the Ansible documentation which you can find on the web, and also how to install Ansible. So quick forward, I'm going to install Ansible. So there are several ways to install Ansible, and I'm going to use how to install Ansible on Ubuntu, and these are the commands that we have over here. I don't know if you can see it well. So these are the commands that we are going to use to install Ansible. I have already installed or updated my package repository. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this, or I'll open my controller and type apt -y install Ansible. So this simple command will get Ansible installed. I already have Ansible installed, so I can type Ansible and it shows that I have Ansible installed. I can also type Ansible hyphen version to see the version of Ansible installed. And as you can see, my current Ansible is 2.12.4. So this simple command can get Ansible installed. Moreover, we can install Ansible using the pip command. So going back to the Ansible documentation, we can install Ansible using pip. So as you can see over here, we can install Ansible using pip. So I'll copy this command, and by default, if you are using Ubuntu or Kali, pip is already installed. We can verify that. If pip is not installed, you can follow the documentation. Everything is there for you to install Ansible. So I'll type the command here: pip python pip minus -m pip install Ansible. And as you can see, I already have Ansible installed, so there's no need for me to install Ansible. But for you, if you are getting on, Ansible has to be installed, and then we can proceed with the configuration. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in my next video.